Hayega mahi, hayega mahi.
Hey, Nyalia. 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 Hey, Nyalia.
Hayega mahi.
Hey, Nyalia. Oh, Nyalia. Oh, Nyalia.
Then think of Fode Moriwa just showing us so. We didn't kill because he switch. Instead of to support the SLPP candidate, is going to support an independent candidate, Nakai Lahun. Then look at this. Political rights. We got to do with the democratic rights of citizens. Fode Mori's political rights was destroyed. But guys, we're going to just, unpack this whole thing, with what is currently happening. There's this particular video that I saw when these SLPP fools, they actually go and attack a sitting councillor, an elected member of his community, because this man, had the gumption to, stand outside of the polling station and for protecting citizens them. After we, these SLPP, they left the ministers them and all of that stuff. They all left their offices them. You talk about, Minister of Internal Affairs, Deputy Minister of Internal Affairs. You talk about Deputy Attorney General. All of these people left their office spaces them. All go sit on a Kabbalah over a month. Minister of Works. All of these people abandoned their job. And then we're talking about a society right now when WFP, World Food Program, until we say 4.7 million people are prone to hunger and starvation in Sierra Leone at this particular point. And over the next few months, of those people, I think 90,000 is in critical condition to starvation and hunger. These are all the situations we have. These guys don't have a priority. They don't get a focus. But they are there to go into the northern part of the country now for go attack people. So there's been a lot of issues, and we got to focus on the lack of the civil societies. These people that are responsible, these people that are tasked with the responsibility of protecting our institution, protecting a democracy, they faltered along the way. When the APC was in power, former President Nkrumah was in power, these people were like helter-skelter, screaming, making noise, screaming and hollering about their roles and responsibilities as civil societies. But now we've seen these guys for who they really are. These people don't really care. So let me share my screen with you guys because I want you guys to see this. This is the salary structure of NEC at this particular point in time. Who is Mohamed Kanawe Kone? Mohamed Kanawe Kone is the Chief Electoral Commissioner. When I see his salary now, between 2020, I put this over here, and 2021 now, when I see the salary disparity, when I see how the guy bloats the wage bill, when I see how them bloats the wage bill, we make them for meet the needs of the people. Prices of goods and commodities are skyrocketing every day. But you see what they've done? Kamrikota, NEC stinks. NEC stinks, my brother. This is what is happening. Look at the salary structure of NEC. I want to give folks a backdrop to what we're actually having today, why we have all of these corrupt practices going on within the NEC. NEC is over 95% Southeasterners and mandate to be specific. That's what it's filled with. These guys, what they're doing is constitutional coup. Like my brother Kamrikota is saying, they are taking over all of these institutions. They flout the constitution flagrantly. And this is why I want for show now. Why would it get to there like today when you look at the Koinadugu results with everything that is happening? But Kamrikota, go ahead and tell what people they do for us. And then, we'll come now and go deep into this.
Yeah. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the part of the whole day. As we don't decide for take them job here now, as we normal work there for day. Una can imagine we will talk like an hour plus. We cannot talk for more than 1 hour at the background we can discuss. Then after we normal we can spend like an hour again talking about Sierra Leone. Not about talk how we talking about Sierra Leone. 80% of our discussion is about the country. But I believe I can simply say every generation get their purpose and God can raise people in any generation. Like Samuel Timaga, and God be raised for comfort for independence, although they're not it's not genuine. Now that kind of independence will get Name could do so this today. God raised Ali Kawade for cancer destruction. They say go na bush in the comfort for democracy, but see what's in at the end cause of the war. And people are rape picking them, burn houses them, and do so many bad things them. And now they don't kind of governance they do worse thing. We God raised for can't whip the mentality of that emotion. Like for example, we know they talk now, talk to not talk tribalism, it's not possible. they manipulate. We'll not talk about them because that then don't become radicalized. They not become radicalized to the extent that they know they even know what's in ahead of them. We they can pull that mentality today. Let them know Sierra Leone is bigger than all of us. So they talk not because of what put SLPP or waiting today. But they bring out them here. Now for not happen to them because if it happens to them, it will be the worst. A single tribe, no, they dominate 15 tribes. One tribe in a rule country, one region in a rule country. It's that it will be a collectiveness of each and every one of we. Every well-meaning, not to say every well-meaning Sierra Leonean, this will be a concern. Because if you know well-meaning Sierra Leonean, need to you support this or you keep quiet, you get for be a concern. Because if we not talk today, someday, sometimes, when I remember then the worst is yet to happen. Then the day, you're gonna be a student just like who they will become until they reach freedom, burn out them, kill people, and I tell them no see the war like and no go to that party because alone with mentality. Now in sick, we get mental blindness, we quick forget.
Absolutely, comrade. And just to remind Sierra Leoneans, sadly, I'm going to play this video of Fode Mori. Fode Mori was killed in Kailahun. Waiting to because he supports an independent candidate. The SLPP folks, them kill Fode Mori. When I watch on there. And guys, I play this phone. I want to see this because when Comrade Koita said something, you cannot talk about without talking about tribalism. These guys, they've done radicalize them people so much in the Southeast that SLPP believes there should be no other political party existing. And you see them when you take a political party like the NGC as a political party, they made no headroads in the Southeast. And NGC is a breakaway from the SLPP political party. These are the situations we have. Fode Mori, his political rights was violated. So let me take one to why I'm showing all of these things because I want to see Salon people that we learn. We say who we select. I come there, I select who we select. Now you select country scorecards. You see, this goes back to the civil societies and everything we're saying. Now let's find Sierra Leone. 2021. Let's see Sierra Leone in real time. I want you guys to see these things. MCC website. Now, this is us. This is political rights and civil liberties. Then think of Fode Mori who just shown us so. We then kill because he switch. Instead of support the SLPP candidate, is going to support an independent candidate like Kailahun. Then look at this. Political rights. We got to do with the democratic rights of citizens. Fode Mori's political rights was destroyed. Why am I pointing Fode Mori? Because if I go to the north, I go begin showing I wouldn't kill people like McKinney and all of this stuff. You go say, oh, they go to the north. This is the Southeast. And this is why we say we cannot speak without talking about tribalism when it comes to that. But now, let me take one to neck. But before I even take one to neck, let me show what these guys are doing. And so this goes back to okay. So let me take one to neck. And this goes back to this councillor where they can share this video with you. Short part of them I don't want to see. Comrade Koita, let them see exactly what we're talking about. Wait till they see on the screen. First of all, it is the salary of the NEC commissioner. Then I guess I can talk about the NEC commissioner. First of all, how he's not even qualified for get the position. I guess I can give you a backdrop into Mohamed Kanao, where Cornell is the current NEC commissioner, so you guys will have an idea of what we're talking about. But when I watch this video,
don't forget about Michael Magba Masari.
Thank you.
About civil liberty, we then lock job because he's in a APC under the school, and he builds the job, and he make book Kenny my way, and I make jail. It is spent. It is in jail till today. In jail for no end from September. He's still in jail. Don't forget about him.
Thank you.
Because if this is okay, that's for Dutch McKinney or Tonkolili or Konadugu or Poloko. This gets something for do like anybody, especially Northerners. Go in the Southeast to talk APC or you talk any other party. Without if they not kill you, then go hunt you, then go burn your house or rape your family. Every other person, look Satalamina and others, 24 of them, rape them like Kailaon. 24. We did talk about those who don't born at the southeast from Kenima, from Kailaon, from Bo, from Ambato, from Pujao. So, you know, I just draw your attention for let because we need to talk anything about it, not now. We talk about how they don't build the southeast. If it did not build so in the northwest, Oses alone, they let them understand. So they will know the level one region for let them go take the chef, make the election and no go area for any other political party, and no go area for other tribes, then they want to enjoy that civil liberty. Now the north, don't enjoy in northwest or western area. So if it still replicates that area in the house alone,
Thank you, and that's a great point. Thank you, Comrade Koita. But this is Michael Mansari, who is in jail.
Able for making a miles. Look at Kaila make APC na make Kaila on this. APC na make Kaila on Cotsbag. APC na make Kaila get good road. Look at him.
I drive there.
They can't let for the halaki motaman. They dog motaman. They can't let for we. For me, I don't kind of power 1 year 9 months. So development and able for make na they sweating their asshole. This halaki government here, who regret how people they vote for this government, they sweating their asshole.
Who miss you now?
For we no more. They say na APC they thief. They thief past APC. APC party. Where they be the thief now for make?
That is not thief make it.
But SLPP they don't thief for the thief for their pocket.
Oh, that is not thief
Not for make, not for no development.
That is not Jankoliko thief.
Chief Minister and thief for a thief now all see the bill na Kenema. Minister of Agriculture na bill the bill. If you see guest house we don't bill na Kenema.
More support.
They sweating their asshole. APC thief. Una de open una mouth say they halaki SLPP they say APC thief. Who say APC thief? When the point one say they say na SLPP don't do am. Road na APC maker. They say APC government be there na power. Kenema light who get light. But who get light?
No, they advertise in the account.
The halaki motaman they are.
You back.
They sweating they are so.
You back.
They dog motaman they are so let fake promises then they do for who the Kenema people they swear motaman they are so.
No cry. I sympathize you.
They go do don't regret her.
No lie.
We don't really regret her. They lucky dogs in the hope give power so then sweating their ass so. And they go and make fake promise give people there. They promise say they make Kenema. They promise say they make Mandela.
But
no lucky developments are not care good. Look at Anes Bakoma, President Anes Bakoma go make Kailaon. Who say no more Anes stop na Kenema. Say they not developments are not care go Kenema.
Why will the battle round and done the balance?
Bakoma stop. Say today na day.
Una can will battle there.
Road there na Kenema. So grave then they go dig. People government so una eat una the shit up.
If they eat all the cacao, they waste the boil.
All fake promises.